KATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, some much needed rain's on the way going into tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night, it's not going to fix the drought situation. Most of us see a quarter inch or less, but we'll show you the model output coming up in just a bit. But we could get lucky in some spots, and that's what we'll hope for. So the big picture as we take a look at the upper level pattern, the water vapor imagery, we have this upper level low in New Mexico, and that is swinging southeastward and igniting storms this evening across Texas. And then it's going to swing through our area, but slow down. So that means we're going to see cloud cover lingering through a good part of the weekend. This evening, though, the threat of severe weather, severe thunderstorm watches and a few warnings going right along the Red River here by Oklahoma and Texas, and the severe weather watch going until midnight tonight. And back to the north and west, snow working its way all the way down through Albuquerque. So this has got some cold air aloft. So as the upper level low works its way on through, we might see some pockets of cold air that could ignite not only thunderstorms, but maybe thunderstorms that could contain a little hail, and there could be strong winds and maybe an isolated tornado. We'll get to that in just a bit. Locally, fair skies, but you can see the high clouds increasing from the west, the cloud cover thickening up across Texas, and rain not far behind toward Houston and down toward Wharton and Victoria. So that's going to be working our way as we head into tomorrow morning, but not reaching most of Acadiana until later tomorrow afternoon. Now, as for the severe storm risk for tomorrow, a slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 from about Houston down to Corpus Christi. The isolated chance of damaging winds, perhaps a couple of tornadoes and hail-bearing storms. And then that severe weather threat shifts eastward but lessens over Louisiana. And per the Storm Prediction Center, most of Acadiana hatched in for a marginal risk. Might be able to extend this back to the west. Again, we're talking an isolated storm that might be capable of damaging winds, hail, perhaps an isolated tornado. But the parameters are quite low. But you can never underestimate these systems. As we get into the month of November, it's our secondary severe weather season. We saw that Tuesday morning with a couple of isolated severe storms. So as we put things in motion overnight tonight through tomorrow, we'll see the clouds beginning to increase, a little sunshine early in the day, and then the clouds thickening up in the afternoon. You can see the rain won't be far behind. Graph model going for all the big storms offshore, but we showed you that HRRR model that shows a little bit more in the way of convection across the area, especially tomorrow night, which the graph doesn't show much of, but there'll be scattered showers and some thunder showers through Saturday morning as well. Maybe some breaks in the clouds Saturday midday, but mostly cloudy skies are going to dominate as we head into Sunday, as the upper level low that we showed you earlier stays in our area, and that's going to keep cloud cover and temperatures capped to the lower 70s for Sunday afternoon. Now, rainfall wise, the graph model, we showed you this one earlier. When we get the time change, we'll have the new model coming in time for the 10 o'clock show, but quarter inch or less for most, more down toward the coast, and a heck of a lot more as you get offshore, where there could be some very heavy rainfall. And the HRRR model, latest HRRR model showing much the same, quarter inch of rain or less for most, but notice the HRRR picks up on a couple of isolated thunderstorms that could produce a couple of inches of rain. And once again, the HRRR model showing some of those heavier rains as you go offshore out into the Gulf of Mexico. So the wettest weather will be on the water, unfortunately. So overnight tonight, 53, 54 the low, not quite as cool. Clouds gradually increase toward tomorrow morning. Hopefully you caught that crescent moon early this evening. It was pretty last night and also this evening as well. Tomorrow, partly sunny early, but clouds increasing throughout the day. Showers and storms developing into the evening hours. And the True View forecast really showing that cloud cover thickening as we get into the dark hours. And then 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, we should see some nice downpours, but they won't last long. But maybe some on and off activity through the overnight hours. Showers, rain chance 80% tomorrow night, 50% early Saturday. Then after that, we're looking at good looking weather for Sunday, even though we'll have cloud cover. Halloween looking a little bit cloudier than it did in earlier model runs, but overall we're not looking too terribly bad, and dry trick-or-treat temperatures will be in the lower 60s. So cool, perfect weather for wearing a costume to keep you warm.
All righty, thank you.